That's better. Iawn?
Okay, guys, croeso i Tyddyn Bach, and the live stream event for Sesiwn Fawr. It's lovely to have you here. Mae'n braf cael chi yma, noson braf. Gwybod bach yn brathu, ond dim ots. Nawn ni ddechrau efo un neu ddau o caneuon trad jazz, ag gobeithio newch chi mwynhau. I'm gonna sit right down, I'm gonna write myself a letter. Make believe it came from you. I'm gonna write words so sweet, they'll knock me off my feet. Some kisses at the bottom, I'll be glad I've got them. I'm gonna smile and say, I hope you're feeling better. Oh, and close the way you used to do. I'm gonna sit right down, I'm gonna write myself a letter. Oh yeah, make believe it came from you. So I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a little letter. I'm gonna believe it came from you. I'm gonna write words oh so sweet, baby, they'll knock you off your feet. Kisses at the bottom, I'm gonna be so glad I've got 'em. I'll smile and say, I hope you're feeling better. And I'll close the way you used to do. So I'm gonna sit right down, I'm gonna write myself a little letter, yeah, make believe it came from you. Has big problems with confidence, and I think the next person in the next song has a problem with confidence as well. This next one's called Confessing. I'm confessing that I love you. Tell me, do you love me too? I'm confessing that I need you, honest I do. Every moment in your eyes I read such strange things, but your eyes deny the truth. Will your answer really change things, making me blue? I believe one day you'll leave me. You'll say, can't we just be friends? If you leave me, oh baby, all of my life on you depends. I'm confessing that I love you. Baby, do you love me too? Oh, I'm confessing that I love you, honest I do. Go, Greg. Someday you'll leave me. You say, man, can we just be friends? And if you leave, you grieve me, 'cause all of my life on you depends. I'm confessing that I love you. Baby, won't you love me too? I'm confessing that I love you. I'm confessing that I love you. I'm confessing that I love you. Honest I do. Oh yeah. No. Dyma sydd mai. It happens on the moment. Now this is a song about a guy who likes, again, being on his own. There's a theme here going on, isn't there? Young men with angst. This is called Nature Boy.
Not the saddest old
There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far over land and sea. Oh, a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one magic day he passed my way, and there we spoke of many things, fools and kings. Yes, he said to me that the greatest thing that you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, and over land and sea. He was a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one magic day he passed my way, and then we spoke kings. This he said to me, that oh, the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye. Oh, so wise was he. And then one day, magic day, he passed my way. There we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me, that the greatest thing you will ever learn, just love and give love in return. Give love in return, love in return. So, beth sy'n arfer digwydd penwythnos Sesiwn Fawr ydy, maen nhw'n torri gwair o gwmpas Tyddyn Bach. Bob blwyddyn maen nhw'n torri gwair ar penwythnos Sesiwn Fawr. Ond ddim blwyddyn yma, maen nhw wedi torri fo'n barod, a maen nhw wedi bwydo y ceia. Ac da chi'n gwybod beth sy'n digwydd nesaf? Mewn tua wsos, maen nhw ar eu hôl. Mae rhywbeth bach yn poeni pawb, nid yw yn efo mhob man, y sy'n sy'n poeni'r ardal hon yw defaid William Morgan. Defaid William Morgan, defaid William Morgan, y hyn sy'n poeni'r ardal hon yw defaid William Morgan. Waith eba planhigion o'r bach, neu letys a chybatchan, daeth neb i profi, dyna wir. O defaid William Morgan, defaid William Morgan, defaid William Morgan, yng nghefn y poeni'r ardal hon yw defaid William Morgan. Ma'n hafan ymyl, mae hyn yn wir. Cael mynd I ben modd faban a cael i'w seibiant, dyna'n siŵr. O defaid William Morgan. Canwch! Defaid William Morgan. Defaid William Morgan. British yn poen i'r ardal hon. Yw defaid William Morgan. Ac defaid William Morgan. Defaid William Morgan. Yn hyn sy'n poen i'r ardal hon. Yw defaid William Morgan.
Alison, gai fenthyg character gan ei jwmper.
Bydd y defaid yma. A mae yna o hyd un sy'n dod yn y Gwanwyn. Bita. Ein llysia ni. It comes every year. And I make a note of the number. Every year there's a specific one. So I think they are at the top of the genetic tree.
I've got a goat plague in my garden.
So we're going to go now to a song by Donald Fagan of Steely Dan. Or is it Pick a Pocket or Two? No, it's not that one. Yeah, he had a lovely album called The Nightfly back in the early 80s, and this is a cover of that one. It's called Walk Between the Raindrops.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
A shadow across the blue Miami sky as we hit the causeway by the new hotels. We fought, now I can't remember why. After all the words we said, tears were gone. We vowed we'd never say goodbye. We kissed, I could hear the sound of thunder, and I could see the causeway by the big hotel. We kissed again as we found each other on that Florida shore. You open your umbrella, walk between the raindrops to your door, yeah. Walk between the raindrops back to your door. Miami. And in my dreams I can hear the sound of thunder. I can see the causeway by the big hotel. On that happy day we found each other on that Florida shore. And we opened your umbrella, walked between the raindrops to your door, yeah. Walk between the raindrops, walk between the raindrops, walk between the raindrops back to your door. Diolch yn fawr. So, sesiwn bach byr ydy hwn, a da ni am gorffen efo can sydd yn atgoffa fi o fy merch bach i sydd nawr yn byw yn De Cymru. So this is for Mansky. It's called Have You Met Miss Jones? Have you met Miss Jones? Someone said as we shook hands, she was just Miss Jones to me. Then I said to Miss Jones, You're the girl, you understand that I'm the man. I must be free. And all at once I held my breath, and all at once I was scared to death, and all at once I owned the earth and sky. Now I've met Miss Jones, and we'll keep on meeting till we die, Miss Jones and I. Tell me, have you met Miss Jones, baby? Someone said as we shook hands, she was just Miss Jones to me. Then I said to Miss Jones, well, you're the girl, you understand. I'm the man, I must be free. And all at once I held my breath, all at once I was scared to death, and all at once I owned the earth and sky. But now I've met Miss Jones, and we'll keep on meeting till we die, Miss Jones and I. And all at once I held my breath, all at once I was scared to death, and all at once I owned the earth and sky. Yeah, now I've met Miss Jones, and we'll keep on meeting till we die, die, die. Miss Jones and I, when we die, Miss Jones and I. Dyna diwedd ein set bach ni am Sesiwn Fawr blwyddyn yma, a dawn ni gobeithio yn arw bod ni ar y sgwâr blwyddyn nesa yn cael hwyl a sbri. A diolch am ddod, ffrindiau ni. Ac nos da, o Covid Corner.